grinder, grinder, grinder.
grinders,
Noun. 1.
a large sandwich made of a long crusty roll split lengthwise and filled with meats and cheese, and tomato and onion and lettuce and condiments. Different names are used in different sections of the United States.
2.
Grinding tooth with a broad crown, located behind the premolars.
Listen and practice.
An electric coffee grinder, an electric coffee grinder. The grinder is used for making precision tooling. The grinder is used for making precision tooling. An electric coffee grinder, an electric coffee grinder.
Grinder.